In this tutorial you will learn how to process customer-ordered product. Step 1. Click on Orders link on the seller dashboard. Step 2. Click on Customer-ordered products. This link contains all customer orders to process. Orders should be processed within the given time interval. How to process the customer-ordered products. To process the customer-ordered products. Step 3. Click on View button. Step 4. Enter the tax % applicable for the products in the text boxes provided. Step 5. Enter the product description in the text box provided. Step 6. Click on Generate Bill button to take printout of the product invoice and shipping invoice. Step 7. Click on Print button to print product invoice and shipping invoice. Step 8. Upload proof for packing. By clicking Upload Proof button. Step 9. Change the packing status if your packing is completed. Step 10. Enter the external packing weight in the text box provided. You can enter 0 if the product weight updated including packing material during adding product. For group multiple product order, enter the difference weight in the external packing weight. Step 11. Enter the total weight, including packing material weight. Step 12. Click on Confirm Orders to widerwings button. Your product pickup will be confirmed, and it will be scheduled for pickup.